Customers in Moment enables a wide range of CRM capabilities and helps you keep track of your active and potential clients. Not only can you define contacts, customer info, and special agreements regarding invoicing, but also keep track of all customer projects, invoices, ledger, and key statistics. When you want to add a new customer in Moment, simply click the blue button in the upper right corner. The customer will automatically get the default country set in your Moment account, but you can easily change this if it's a foreign company. The customer number is defined by the number series set up for your account, but you can always override it if necessary. When you type in the customer name, Moment will search national registries for the company information in supported areas. If the same customer name has been added before, Moment will let you know so that you can avoid duplicates. You can set the correct status for the customer. This is particularly useful for separating active and potential customers. If you've added tags to your Moment account, you can select this when creating the customer. This will categorize the customer immediately, helping you keep order in your database. The customer file has now been created. You can add additional information, for example, phone numbers, email, website, and different addresses. If you add the customer's address, you can see the customer on a map, and you can even see other customers in the area. Your customer likely has both contact persons and invoice recipients, and you can add these here on the main page. You can add as many contacts as you like, with as much info as you need, such as title, phone, email, photo, and so on. You can also tag your contacts. This is useful for organizing them in reports. Contacts can also be used as invoice recipients. You can leave extra information about the customer using notes. Notes support rich text formatting, so you can highlight important information. Notes can also be used to notify other coworkers in your own company. To make the customer page a little more alive, you can add a customer's logo. To upload a customer logo, simply click the upload box and select the file from your computer. Most picture formats are supported. If the customer has special hourly rates, either for specific roles or specific coworkers, you can set the rates under Hourly Rates. Select the coworker or role, or a combination of both, and then define the hourly rate. You can also define which period the rate is valid for, in case there will be a future adjustment. If your customer requires specific invoice settings, you can define that under Invoice Settings. For example, reference numbers and persons, default invoice texts, credit terms, invoice language, or perhaps a default discount. Any setting you add here will override the general invoice settings for your company. You can also define more specific settings for projects, which in turn will override any setting you have on the customer level. You can easily get a report on all customers and related information. The report allows you to group by different variables, such as status, country, sector, and so on. If you have added customer tags, you'll get those as grouping options. The report page helps you keep track of all your customer groups. You'll also find all contact persons in a separate report page, which you can group by tags and other variables. If you want to send out information to a specific group of contacts, this is very useful. All reports in Moment can be exported to Excel and PDF at the click of a button. Moment's customer module gives you full control over all your customers and contacts by centralizing all customer data in one place. This removes the need for standalone CRM systems and lets you connect your customers to all other data inside Moment. If you have integrated Moment with an external accounting system, all relevant customer data can be exported there, so you'll only have to make changes in one database